Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Maria Bindu here. Today we'll learn how to configure your university mail. As we are doing our online classes in Google Classroom, we get lots of mails from our university teachers. Sometimes it becomes quite difficult for us to find a particular mail. But if we configure them, we can find them easily. So to configure my university mail from my Google Classroom, I will open my university mail. In my inbox, you can see lots of mails from my course teachers. Now I will configure them. For that, I will click Settings, select See All Settings. Now I have to create a label. For that, I will choose here Labels. If I scroll down, you can see option Create New Label. I will click this one and create a label named First Year Second Semester. Create. I will create another label named Physics. I will put this label under first year second semester. Create. Here you can see a label first year second semester and under that another label Physics. Now again I will go to my inbox and open my Physics teacher mail and click here and copy this mail address up to classroom. Now I will again click Settings, See All Settings. From here I will choose Filters and Blocked Addresses. Now I will click Create a New Filter. Here in this prompt section I will paste that email address. Now I will click Search. Here you can see the matching mails from that mail address. Now to configure this, I will click Advanced Search. Now I will click Create Filter. Here I have to choose some option. First one, skip the inbox. Secondly, apply the label. Here I will choose the label first year second semester Physics. Never send it to spam. And also apply filter to 23 matching conversations. Now I will click Create Filter. Now if I click in this Physics level, you can see all my mails from that particular mail address. It is a very organized way to find a particular mail. Hope this video will be beneficial for you. Thank you.